Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. I just got out of Terrifier 3. It is a very good movie. I have been through some shit and seen some things, so I could eat during that movie. If you don't have a strong stomach, I wouldn't do it. Anyway, how y'all doing? How's your mama and them? Yeah, I know. This is the first movie in a hot minute I've seen that's been brave enough to, like, ice a kid. Multiple kids. I'm not gonna give any spoilers if you want to see it. But, yeah. They don't fuck around. They kill everything in this movie. I get any missed calls while I was in there? Nothing. Text message, maybe. I don't even have to set up the Cardo app. Really. Because I've learned how to operate it entirely with the unit's buttons. I feel very accomplished. But, yeah, no, man. I feel so bad for the character of Sienna. Like, that bitch is getting put through the ringer. There's a lot of practical effects in it, though. So, like, it has major, like, 80s vibes. It reminds me, some of these effects remind me of the effects they used in The Fly 2. Not the one with Jeff Goldblum, but the second one. The one with Jeff Goldblum was good, though. Yeah, like, and the way it's paced is so weird. You cannot slip out to go pee or nothing. Because it flip-flops. You get about 5 minutes of the main character, and then you get about, like, 5 minutes of art, and it goes back and forth and back and forth. And not, like, literally 5 and 5. That would be absurd. But, like, you'll miss something if you step out of it. And I was fucking miserable. But outside of that, like, I was doing alright. Like, I just gotta pee a lot because of meds I'm on, but that's TMI. I don't know, maybe I'm fucked up, but that movie had me laughing more than anything else. What's going on here? I'm gonna pop over here for big guy. Yeah, there they go. On a totally unrelated note, but I found Four Loko at the gas station last night, and I, like an Alzheimer's patient, bought it, forgetting all of the things that happened in the last run of Four Loko. That was my early 20s, but that has nothing to do with the subject matter at hand. Yeah, Terrifier 3, go see it. It's good. If you're into that sort of thing. Yeah, no, like, they have a reputation for being really gory. And they, good God, it is. There's a lot of, like, very visceral, realistic gore that's all practical, so it's squelchy, and they mic it, and there's really good Foley. And boy howdy, like, there's a crazy chainsaw scene. The whole time I was thinking, how is that chainsaw still running? How isn't it gummed up yet? Because, like, chainsaws are finicky beasts. I don't know if you've ever used one or not, but they are. They're very picky about what their blades will go through and what they won't. Because sure, they'll go into a person for a little bit, and then they'll stop. Because they're only meant to cut dry things. And if you fucking put a bunch of gooey, hey, Rivian, gooey shit up into a chainsaw, it will stop working. Oh, that's right, there are kids. Kids exist. That's right, they're a thing. I'm going the school zone speed limit. Y'all will get a gap eventually. Back to the movie. Yeah, no, like, Art is fucking hilarious. He has a sidekick this time. Not gonna spoil anything. I think, you know, in the past movie, like Victoria, you know, Vicky, the sister from the first one, he like ate her face. Yeah, she plays a major role in this. I won't go into much more detail than that, but there's like a demon, and it's like a whole thing. And boy, like, if you're sensitive to, like, a lot of occult imagery, maybe don't go for this one. Like, if the gore and the animal abuse and the fucking child murder weren't enough, but if the animal abuse and the kid murder and the gore weren't enough, if you're one of those people who take every piece of religious imagery as, like, a personal attack on you, maybe don't see this one. Because they're like mock crucifixions. There's a crown of thorn. There's a Tub Girl reference. Right off rip, there's a Tub Girl reference, and I appreciate them for that. If you know, you know. Cybertruck! It looks like a fucking dumpster! Terrifier, in general, is not a series for the faint of heart, nor the weak of stomach, which, you know, I clearly am not. I was sitting there eating, watching all of this, laughing, like, cause I'm a veteran horror fan. I'm a veteran horror fan, and like, you know, as I said at the beginning of this, I've been through some shit, I've seen some stuff. I have a very strong stomach, and hey, what's up? I got it. But yeah, like, I have a very strong stomach. I can watch things like that and eat. I had popcorn and a pickle because my theater has pickles because there's a fucking goat. I'm gonna go see the new Beetlejuice next, but I had the whole theater to myself. That shit felt so luxe. It felt so luxe. But yeah, no, it was a good time. Highly recommend if you're into that sort of thing. Am I still filming? Yeah, I'm still filming. So yeah, you got to hear me laugh at the Cybertruck. That's good shit. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe.